Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating obvious faults quickly. Verify you have a Hyperx Cloud Alpha with the detachable boom mic and check the connector type. Once done, inspect the mic jack and plug for dirt or bent pins because physical contact is the most common failure. Plug the headset into a phone or another PC to determine whether the issue is the headset or your computer. This comparison narrows down your next steps and prevents wasted driver troubleshooting. You now address software and connection complexity. Open sound settings and choose the HyperX mic as your input, then speak to confirm the meter moves. If nothing registers, update or reinstall your audio drivers. Drivers restore proper communication between hardware and system. If using a single 3.5 jack on PC, use a TRRS splitter or the HyperX USB adapter so the mic and headphone lines are correctly routed. Once done, retest in an app that shows levels. You finish with mechanical and advanced checks. Reseat the boom mic firmly until it clicks and ensure the mute toggle isn't engaged, because poor contact often mimics failure. Then adjust input levels and turn off enhancements. Some boosts clip low output mics. If you use a USB adapter, move it to another port or a powered hub to rule out power or hub quirks. If problems persist, try the spare mic on another Cloud Alpha or contact support for replacement parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.